Hey everybody, welcome to Bacon in Blue. Today we're gonna make some bacon and chocolate chip cookies, okay? I hope you enjoy. Alright, let's go.
Okay, here for our ingredients, we have 3/4 of a cup of salted butter, half a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, 2 1/4 cups plus another tablespoon of flour, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and a cup, which is about 7 slices of bacon, crumbled into little pieces like this. And make sure your bacon is really thoroughly cooked and really crispy. You might like chewy bacon, but you don't want chewy cookies. Okay, so for mixing these up, we're going to add the butter and both of the sugars to a large bowl and beat them together until they're nice and creamy. And then add in the eggs, the vanilla, and the baking soda, beat those in. And then gradually add in the flour just until it's combined. And then we're going to stir in the chocolate chips and the bacon. All right, I'm going to start off here and add in our butter and our sugars. And as usual, I forgot to grab a spatula, so one sec. It's fighting. It's fighting me. I won. Okay. Okay. Now we'll add in the eggs, the baking soda, and the vanilla. Okay, now we'll gradually add in that flour. Okay, and now we'll just gently stir in those chocolate chips and that bacon. All right, and we're good to go. Okay, and now we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to spoon those cookies out onto ungreased cookie sheets, and then bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes, just until they start to turn brown. Take them out, let them cool on the cookie sheets, and then store them in your refrigerator. Cookies may last for a long time, but meat does not, so they need to go in your fridge. Okay, there we go. This is a nice sweet and savory cookie to kind of counteract all those sweets you just get around this time of year. So next week, we'll do a more traditional chocolate cookie. It'll be chocolate and orange. So maybe back here next week for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.